In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 GraphQL tools that are essential for modern development. These tools and libraries can significantly streamline your GraphQL development process, enhance developer experience, and ensure production-ready applications. First on our list is Apollo Server. Apollo Server is a production-ready GraphQL server with comprehensive tooling and ecosystem support. It offers built-in features like introspection and a GraphQL Playground, making it easy to build and deploy GraphQL APIs. Here is a basic example of how to set up an Apollo server. First, require Apollo Server from the Apollo Server package. Then create a new Apollo Server instance with type definitions and resolvers. And you can also enable built-in features like introspection and the GraphQL Playground. Finally, start the server by calling the listen function. Next, we have Prisma. Prisma is a type-safe database toolkit with auto-generated GraphQL schema and resolvers. It simplifies database access and provides end-to-end type safety for your GraphQL applications. With Prisma, you can perform type-safe queries and automatically generate GraphQL schemas. Here's a code snippet demonstrating how to use Prisma. First, import the Prisma client. Then create a new Prisma client instance. With Prisma client, you can perform type-safe queries like in the example shown here. Prisma also supports auto-generation of GraphQL schemas with Nexus Prisma. Our third tool is GraphQL Code Generator. This tool automatically generates typed code from GraphQL schemas and operations. It saves development time and ensures type safety across your GraphQL stack. Here is an example of a code generation configuration file. In the code generation config file, you specify your GraphQL schema and documents. Then you specify the code generation plugins like TypeScript, TypeScript Operations, and TypeScript React Apollo. The fourth tool is Hasura. Hasura provides instant GraphQL APIs from your database with real-time subscriptions. It simplifies data access and enables you to build scalable GraphQL applications quickly. You can quickly set up a Hasura instance with Docker using the command shown here. Once the Docker container is running, you will have an instant GraphQL API ready. The fifth tool is GraphQL Playground. GraphQL Playground is an interactive GraphQL IDE for exploring schemas and testing queries. It provides a user-friendly interface for writing, validating, and executing GraphQL queries. Here is an example of how you can write a GraphQL query in GraphQL Playground to get a user. You can pass in a user ID as a variable and get the name, email, and posts for the user. So, why do these tools matter? First, they support rapid development through auto-generation and type safety, which reduces development time and eliminates boilerplate code. Second, they provide end-to-end type safety from the database to the front end with automatic validation. Third, they enhance the developer experience with a rich tooling ecosystem that includes introspection, debugging, and testing capabilities. And fourth, they offer production-ready, enterprise-grade solutions with built-in performance optimization and scalability. Thank you for watching. I hope you are now ready to build amazing GraphQL applications using tools like Apollo Server, Prisma, GraphQL Code Generator, Hasura, and GraphQL Playground. So start building with confidence. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.